Today on the Outsiders Club, Chloe and Jalen explore the massive mangrove tunnels of Oleta River State Park.
We don't need a map.
I thought you said you knew where we were going.
Then Chase charges down to the Florida Keys.
I'm in the Florida Keys.
To catch giant lizards? No. That can't be right.
That was crazy.
He actually gets to help release a 170-pound sea turtle.
That is a humongous turtle. We'll be showing you how to go paddleboarding in Oleta River State Valley. I said Oleta River State Park. Okay.
My hair almost blew off.
All this on the Outsiders Club.
Come on, let's go outside. We're gonna have some fun outside. It's where we are, it's who we are. It's the Outsiders Club.
Check this out.
We are surf fishing in Sebastian Inlet State Park.
Wow! Brandon? Over here.
It's over there.
Keep it outside.
Come on, let's go outside. We're gonna have some fun outside. Yeah, keep it outside. Where the sun shines bright, it's the Outsiders Club.
Woohoo!
Can't wait. So we got the paddle boards rented all day.
Sweet. Okay, here's your paddle.
Thank you. Hey, fellow outsiders, welcome to our show.
Today, we're in Oleta River State Park to teach you how to go paddleboarding.
We just rented our boards, we got our map, we're all set.
Map? We don't need a map.
Yeah, so now I'm definitely bringing a map.
Oleta River State Park is over 1,043 acres of wild oasis surrounded by urban North Miami. The park gets its name from the river that runs through it. The Oleta River is the only natural river remaining in Miami. This park has a long list of TDDs, including camping, kayaking, wildlife viewing, swimming, cabins, fishing, and over 14 miles of trails. Are you done looking at yourself in the camera? Can we go now?
I'm just making sure my sunscreen's on even.
I'm going to the water.
While Jalen and I head out to go paddleboarding, check out the next outsider activity.
If you're an outsider like me, the Florida Keys is just paradise. Hi, I'm Chase Crawford. I'm down here in the Florida Keys at the Turtle Hospital in Marathon. We're at the Turtle Hospital. Oh yeah. I'm about to get a backstage tour of the hospital, and maybe we might do a turtle release if the weather cooperates. So I'm hoping for that. And by the way, I wasn't driving that.
Hi, Chase.
Hi, Betty.
Welcome to the Turtle Hospital. I'm Betty Zirkelbach. I manage the Turtle Hospital in the heart of the Florida Keys. The goal of the Turtle Hospital, located in the heart of the Florida Keys, is to rescue, rehabilitate, and release endangered and threatened sea turtles back to the wild. And in the process, educate people on the plight of the sea turtle, help them to care about sea turtles, our oceans, and our planet. We got a lot going on today. I have somebody on a rescue in Key West with an emaciated loggerhead, and then we had a turtle come in last night that has a front flipper spit off by a shark. And if we're lucky today, Chase, we may get to do a release.
Yes, I can't wait. This place is hopping. As soon as I get here,
We have different species of turtles that have different diets.
I just jump right in.
Their natural diet would be seagrass and algae, which we don't have here at the Turtle Hospital. Romaine lettuce, next best thing. So let's feed some of these greens. We're so excited to host Chase here today at the Turtle Hospital and introduce him to the amazing world of sea turtles. So do you think sea turtles have teeth? There's a whole lot of work that goes into rehabilitating a sea turtle. If you look real close, they have a beak that's made of keratin, and the herbivores, the green sea turtles, they have a serrated jaw. All right. Look at this guy. I wanted to give Chase a sense of what it is to take care of turtles. There's a whole lot of work that goes into rehabilitating a sea turtle. This guy's about a month old, if you can believe it. It's important to me to show Chase what a baby sea turtle looked like. That's why I was excited to introduce him to the hatchlings.
Now, what kind of baby turtle is this?
And this is a critically endangered hawksbill sea turtle. And we don't see a lot of those, so we think this little guy blew in from Cuba or Mexico. Most of what we see is human impact injuries, entanglement in fishing gear, boat strikes, and those horrific tumors that are affected by water pollution. That's why we need to mitigate for human impact.
So this turtle was hit by a boat and attacked by a shark? This is one lucky turtle.
People want to care about something, and that's why when they see us taking so much care for one sea turtle, that compassion is contagious. They take that into their world, and that is my best hope, that not only we're going to save a species, but save the planet.
So what's it like to work here at the hospital?
It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, a lot of late nights, long days. You're on call 24/7, so you'll never know when you'll get a call. Whenever we have a critical patient in, that means overnight care, so we'll have shifts all through the night. Sometimes some of them are here for a whole year, getting treatment and making sure they're tumor-free, so that moment when you get to finally release them is special.
Man, this would be like a really cool place to work.
I love it. I've always wanted to work with sea turtles. I'm very happy that I'm here.
People that work at the Turtle Hospital work hard. They're passionate, and that passion drives them. We take care of turtles 24/7.
So we're about to go in the emergency room. We're going to have to keep quiet. Just like a human hospital, this is where our really sick patients are. This is Kenny. Kenny just came in this morning. He's a subadult loggerhead sea turtle, and he's our top priority right now because he's in critical condition. He's got low glucose, so we're working right now. We gave him sub-Q fluids, that's dextrose, like a sugar water, to just help get that glucose up. And once it stabilizes, we'll give him medications and start trying to get him better.
I hope he gets better.
This is our surgery suite. This is where we actually do surgeries on sea turtles. You're going to see a lot of equipment that you see in the human hospital. We have an anesthesia machine, an ultrasound, we have a CO2 laser, and we use this to remove tumors from the turtles. We're pretty well covered here. Have you ever seen a turtle x-ray?
No.
Let's go take a look at one. You want to take a look at the turtle that we might release today?
Yeah.
So here you go, Luna Kate. You can see this is an x-ray of when she first checked in the turtle hospital. She came in with what we call an impaction. It's where she ate something that she really wasn't supposed to, and it blocked up her intestines. And the good news is we were able to get this all cleared up with the right medicine and the right care, and look at now. She's all better and ready to go out.
I really hope we get to release that turtle today.
So do I. She's ready to go out. Let's hope the weather cooperates.
Yes, please, weather.
All right.
One thing I wasn't prepared for was all of these iguanas. I'm from Central Florida. Our lizards are like this big, but down here in the Keys, they're huge. That was crazy.
Feeling strong?
Yeah.
All right.
Finally, I get the news I've been waiting for all day.
We got towels. We've already got some ice and water. I think we're all set to go get the turtle.
We're gonna do a release.
Let's go.
Yes.
You're getting your workout this morning.
Hey, Ricky, good morning.
Looks like it's going to be a pretty day.
Good. You can set her down. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Okay, and then we'll rest there and we'll come down and help you. Okay. Okay, she probably won't fit there, so we'll just set her down. It's okay, Luna. We're taking you home.
Want more of the Outsiders Club? Then check out theoutsidersclub.com.
Don't go away. We'll be right back.
Ready to meet Luna Kate?
Wow, that is a humongous turtle.
Is she amazing?
She's huge.
We better not be lost, Jalen. I thought you said you knew where we were going.
The great thing about paddleboarding is that almost anyone can do it. Stand-up paddleboards are designed to be thick and wide, making them pretty stable and hard to fall off of. Well, hey, if you're not falling, you're not learning. That's my motto.
I didn't know you had a motto.
I guess I do have a motto.
I love paddleboarding because it's like walking on water. You can look down with polarized glasses and see a ton of marine life. And here's an added bonus. It's an all-body workout. Your arms, legs, core will feel it the next day for sure. So for me, paddleboarding is the ultimate outdoor workout.
Let's go over a few tips to get you up and paddling. First, to get up on your board, hold the paddle across your board like this. Then, begin to apply equal pressure with your hands as you begin to position your knees between the handle on the board, as this is almost always in the center of the board. And slowly bring one leg up at a time. Get your balance, then slowly stand up. Bam! Now you've got the stand-up part lift. But there's more. Make an OK sign with your hand. Then slide the handle between your thumb and index finger. Place your fingers over the top of the handle. Grab the paddle with your other hand. You're set to paddle. Bend your knees slightly and take long, strong strokes. Keep your back straight. When you're ready to switch hands, just do this. Okay, now she's just showing off.
Check this out. Here are 3 paddleboarding tips. Quickly determine how tall your paddle should be by raising your arm up and making sure that it reaches your palm. Next, the angle in your paddle should always face away from you. And an easy and quick way that I remember this is to make sure that the logo is always face out. One last tip. It's likely that you'll fall off your board while you're paddleboarding, but when this happens, no big deal. Just position yourself on the far side of your board, grab the opposite rail, and pull yourself up. Once you're up, put your knees in the center of your board and apply equal pressure to the board. Stand up, and off you go.
Ooh, let's go in here. Trust me, I know where I'm going. It's crazy.
We better not be lost, Jalen. I thought you said you knew where we were going.
I do. I did.
Okay. So, if we're right here, follow me. I know how to get us back.
Hey, don't go away. We'll be right back. I hope.
You're watching The Outsiders Club, and we'll be right back.
Check out what's coming up.
Moving those flippers. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
That was amazing.
Nice job.
Thank you. I'm Chase Crawford. I'm down here in the Florida Keys at the Turtle Hospital. And maybe we might do a turtle release. I hope the weather's good so we can release that turtle.
We need to get her out. I agree. Let's take a look. All right, we got about 9 out of the south. I think we'll be okay.
Finally, I get the news I've been waiting for all day. Yes!
Yes, we're gonna be a little bumpy. Can you handle that?
I can handle that.
All right.
Thank you, weather. I love you.
All right, we got towels. We've already got some ice and water. I think we're all set to go get the turtle.
We're gonna go down to the turtle enclosure. We're gonna get Luna Kate. We're gonna transport her to the boat.
All right, you ready to meet Luna Kate?
Can't
She's a
wait.
female green sea turtle, 175 pounds.
Wow, that is a humongous turtle.
Is she amazing?
She's huge. It's like 3 of me and a half.
So some people on a fishing charter originally found her, so they called Everglades National Park, and a park ranger met them and was able to get it into his boat. And he brought it to a dock in Key Largo, and I met him there.
And now you're gonna help us put her back out in the wild.
I can't wait.
Why care about sea turtles? They're what we call an indicator species. What is happening to sea turtles is eventually going to happen to all of life. Kind of like the canary in the coal mine. We need to pay attention what's happening with these animals.
Couple things about sea turtles. First of all, they bite, and greens have a serrated jaw, so you don't want to be in front of her mouth. She's not aggressive, but if you get your arm or fingers in the wrong place, she might nip you.
So then we started picking the turtle up and putting it onto the golf cart.
That's 175 pounds heavy. Good thing. Did you eat your Wheaties this morning, Chase?
Yeah.
Big lift. All right. You have no idea where you're going, do you?
Luna Kate's in the golf cart and we're ready to go.
Sea turtles are ancient. When you look into the eye of a sea turtle, I feel like we're seeing the history of the world.
We're heading out to Richie's boat, and we're gonna load her up. We're gonna take her probably about 10 miles offshore.
Does she know she's going home?
I don't think so, but I think she's smelling the ocean. She's getting a little rambunctious. All right, we're gonna go as fast as the slowest person.
They've done this before plenty of times, so I'm trusting them.
We look like Laurel and Hardy.
There you go. There you go.
Get it towards the bow, so we're ready. Woo, she's heavy. Set her down. All right.
Good.
Perfect. It's okay, Luna. We're taking you home.
Is this to keep her cool?
It's to keep her cool on the transport. That's perfect. Gonna make you part of our turtle army, okay?
All right.
There you go.
So it was really cool. Before we took off, Betty gave me a little gift.
Part of the turtle team.
an official member of the team.
All right, guys, everybody hold on.
Luna Kate, hold on. We're almost home. So where is Luna Kate's home?
The Gulf of Mexico. There's nice, lush grass beds there, and the green turtles are herbivores, so their primary diet is green. So it's the seagrass and algae. So over here on the Gulf side, there's lots of nice seagrass. So we're gonna take her out where she can have a good breakfast.
She's doing good. She's much stronger than I thought she would be. She's very strong. She wanted to get out of this tub. She'd be in our lap. So I think she's cooperating with us. She must know we're doing good for her.
So we're going to where the red line and the other red line intersect?
Exactly, that straight line and that curvy line up there.
Everybody knows Richie as the turtle guy. What a great opportunity for Chase to go out and release a turtle with Richie, who is not only an icon, but he's done so much for sea turtles in our world.
He's a turtle legend. He might be half turtle.
And that'll be right where we'll put the turtle on the edge of the Everglades. Be about 3 or 4 feet deep. Lots of good grass down at the bottom.
So
That's what a turtle needs.
Thank you.
So we're gonna be releasing the turtle here?
Right. See these grass flats on the map? Those are very shallow areas, and there's about 3 foot tall turtle grass on it. And this is a perfect place because the fresh water comes out of the Everglades and meets the ocean. And like I say, the turtles like that grass.
That's perfect. Luna Kate did great on the way out here. It was a combination of patience and excitement.
See the nose there, Chase?
Uh-huh.
Turtles' noses are soft like puppy noses, and they have an amazing sense of smell. So I think she's smelling that salt water. Okay, team, are we ready?
Ready.
We're ready.
All right, Luna Kate's ready. She's moving those flippers, getting ready to swim. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, you ready?
Takes a lot of coordination right at that moment to get everyone working together, including the turtle.
Oh, right to the trap. Okay, past the trap. I think she's good. Ready? Here she goes. Beautiful.
It was 1, 2, 3. She went back into her home. No sides on the tank. Makes this job worthwhile.
Wow, that was amazing.
All right, guys. Good work. Good
Nice
work.
job.
All right.
Nice job.
Thank you.
No 2 days are alike, Chase, and it's always exciting. As you're moving through life and you have different jobs and you get education, no matter where you find yourself, do something to keep your passion alive, that thing that's in your heart that makes you feel alive. Because if you're lucky like me, doing a job that's a culmination of not only all my skills, but my passion. And you'll never work a day in your life if you do that.
Thank you, Betty. That's really great advice. And by the way, are you guys hiring?
Always.
You care about sea turtles and want to get involved? You can follow us on our Facebook page and our website, turtlehospital.org. You can go on there and donate. But the important thing, tell your friends about sea turtles. Watch what you do with your trash and stay aware when you're on the water.
To learn more about the Outsiders Club, go to our website at theoutsidersclub.com. And remember, keep it outside.
Check this out. The U.S. Coast Guard considers a paddleboard a vessel, which means you'll need some safety gear with you at all times. This includes a United States Coast Guard certified life jacket and a sound device, like a whistle or a horn. So yeah, a life jacket and a whistle, and you're good to go.
I guess it was a good idea to bring the map.
I'm just glad we're back because I am starving. Let's go get something to eat.
Well, another episode of the Outsiders Club is coming to an end.
We hope you enjoyed it because we sure had a blast making it.
And what an adventure Chase had down in the Florida Keys.
And remember my motto, keep it outside.
So that's your motto now? We were supposed to say that together.